Welcome, welcome. You missed it. It was good.
Welcome, everyone. Welcome to our channel, Bridge Builders of Diversity, where we are bridging the gap between the typical community and the disability community. Go ahead.
Through education and laughter.
And dialogue.
And don't forget this beautiful scenery that we have here. It's just a gorgeous day, so we thought we would bring the camera outside and talk to you about gardening.
Yes.
I know what you're thinking.
It's very important to include your family members, children with disabilities in gardening. And of course, with all the massive inflation we're having and all the...
Wouldn't it be great to not have to pay for some of the food on your table?
Yeah, and the food shortages that they say are coming. So start learning how to grow your own food.
And there's so many benefits too, including your loved ones, your children, your family members with disabilities in that gardening process. First of all, it connects them to their food. So they're going to be more likely to eat a healthier diet because they're saying, wait a minute, I grew this cucumber.
Right. It's science.
That's my zucchini.
And you get to learn about the economy and how it runs by doing that.
And you can learn the life cycle of a plant by growing a seed and taking care of it and giving it the things that it needs, like soil and sun.
Yeah. And that's one thing my son with Down syndrome, he likes to help with the more gross motor parts of building the garden. He likes help building the beds and moving the soil.
So healthy.
Yes.
It's great physical activity, and you're outside in this beautiful sunshine and in nature, and you're growing your own food.
And you can grow food in pots, buckets. Potatoes are like the easiest thing to grow.
Check in your town for a municipal garden. You might be able to get yourself a little plot if you don't have your own yard. I know this yard is such a blessing, and not everybody has a beautiful
my yard's
yard.
not that big. I have a small yard. I'm in the outskirts of the city, so I have beds throughout my yard, beds embedded within planters and stuff like that.
And didn't you just start some veggies with seeds?
Yes, yep. I have 18 tomato plants that I grew from seeds, an avocado, 2 little lemon trees, and
I'm
an
worried
eggplant.
about your avocado because of where we live.
Oh, it's going to her house in the atrium there.
Do we have? It'll stay inside.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, never mind then. I'm less worried about it now. Never mind. I take it back. Don't worry about the avocado tree. It's fine.
Yes, I have a big place to store it. So
that's great. That is great. So if you're wondering about what you're going to do this great long summer with your child with disabilities, I'm going to recommend gardening.
Yes.
And so Sherry. Yes. Sherry is a mother of a child with disabilities. I'm Roberta. I'm a special education teacher. Together we are Bridge Builders of Diversity.
Yeah. But gardening is a great thing to do. You can do it as a family. You get to teach your kids about the life cycle of the plant. They get to actually eat the food at the end. And it's also a way to save on your grocery bill, and you know where the plant's coming from and how it was taken care of.
Truly.
And not sprayed with 100,000 pesticides or whatever.
Oh, right. I didn't even think of that. Ugh.
Yeah, who knows what they do to our food. So.
Yeah, who knows? Who knows? I'm going to get tomatoes from you.
Yes, fair.
All right.
So yeah, I'm so proud of myself because I've been practicing for the last few years because it's something I wanted to get my son involved in, and we do have some earlier videos that you'll see of my son.
So yeah, check our archives.
Yeah, for the gardening. It's under gardening, I believe, where Nathan's helping build the garden beds and moving the wheelbarrow around, and so he likes the gross motor end, but he has fine motor issues. So
anyone can participate, even if you have a mobility challenge or a cognitive impairment. Yeah, you can participate on some level.
If you're in a wheelchair, you can get beds that are raised. I've seen some amazing layouts of people who are in wheelchairs that you can roll right up to, and it's like a platform and everything. Yeah. So, if you have a friend who's pretty handy, could build you something like that.
That would be great.
Yeah.
Maybe we can invent something.
Yes, maybe.
Don't forget to comment if you want to hear about other topics, anything that you have any curiosity about or something you want us to talk about.
Yeah, don't forget to hit the thumbs
please-
up. Please like our channel. It helps us get out.
Please share and subscribe, because you never know where we're going to be, where we're going to be
I think
filming
you gotta,
from.
yeah, there you go.
There we go.
And they can see the skyline.
And I'm learning a new skill of cinematography. I think I'll teach. I think I'll stick to teaching. What do you think?
Probably.
Yeah,
Don't quit your day job.
I won't.
All right, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out if you hit that like button and subscribe to help us get out into the YouTube universe. And Roberta and I also did a TED Talk, which I will link below. So please comment. Our email address is in there as well. If you'd like to help out our channel, you can also donate through our Facebook page, which there's a link to on our YouTube channel.
Truly.
Yes.
So reach out in any way. We'd
Yes.
love to hear from you.
All right. Thank
Bye.
you, guys.
I guess you do get to see it.